Okay, Gemini, get ready. From June 12th to June 16th, 2025, a powerful cosmic shift is brewing just for you. The stars are aligning to deliver 3 secret messages that could transform your life in surprising ways. This isn't just any ordinary transit. It's a portal opening to heightened awareness, deeper understanding, and energetic breakthroughs. As a Gemini, ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication, intellect, and movement, you're naturally curious, adaptable, and quick-witted. But during this rare window, your voice and thoughts carry a special power. The universe is inviting you to harness this moment, decode these messages, and step boldly into your next chapter. In this article, we'll break down the cosmic energies shaping this time, reveal the 3 secret messages, and guide you on how to navigate them using your innate Gemini gift. Ready to unlock the mystery? Let's dive deep. Gemini, something big is coming your way, and it's written in the stars. Between June 12th and June 16th, 2025, a rare blend of planetary energies is creating a major cosmic shift that's all about you. This period is like a cosmic green light, a window where the universe leans in and whispers, "It's your time." So what's really happening? Mercury in Gemini, your mind on fire. First up, your ruling planet, Mercury, is right at home in Gemini. And when that happens, your mental energy gets supercharged. Expect fast ideas, sharper instincts, and an almost magical ability to connect the dots in ways others miss. This is when your natural talents, communication, wit, learning, and curiosity are at their absolute peak. You may find yourself having brilliant conversations, downloading fresh ideas out of nowhere, or attracting people who vibe with your thoughts. And because Mercury is the planet of movement and messages, this is also the perfect time to launch new ideas, pitch yourself, start a blog, podcast, or anything that lets your voice be heard. The Gemini New Moon, fresh starts and clear skies. A new moon in Gemini during this same period means double the power. New moons are cosmic restarts, a time to plant seeds, set intentions, and begin fresh chapters. In your sign, this energy gets deeply personal. Think of it like a reset button for your identity. This new moon invites you to reinvent how you express yourself, how you relate to others, and even how you see yourself. If you've been waiting for a right time to begin something new, this is it. Planetary aspect, major support from the universe. And here's where things get even more interesting. Other powerful planets, like Jupiter, expansion and luck, Saturn, structure and discipline, or even Uranus, sudden change, may be aligning in ways that amplify this moment. You could feel a sense of urgency to move forward, deep clarity about your life's next step, the ending of old cycles, relationships, or beliefs. These planetary aspects act like energetic spotlights, guiding your attention exactly where it needs to be. And for you, Gemini, it's all pointing toward growth, truth, and stepping into your full potential. The bottom line? The period from June 12th to 16th isn't just another week, it's a turning point, a cosmic alignment tailored to your strength. It's about reclaiming your voice, trusting your ideas, and tuning into a deeper wisdom that's ready to emerge. So buckle up, the universe is talking, and it's speaking your language. From June 12th to 16th, the universe is sending you a powerful reminder, Gemini. Your voice is your magic. Whether you're speaking, writing, teaching, or even thinking, your words carry more energy now than ever before. As an air sign ruled by Mercury, The planet of communication, your voice has always been one of your strongest tools. But during this cosmic window, it becomes a direct portal to your destiny. What you say can shape what you experience. It's time to use that superpower intentionally. Why this matters right now. Speak your truth. The energy around you is encouraging bold honesty. Say what you truly mean. Expressing yourself clearly and authentically can unlock doors you didn't even know existed. Whether it's in a relationship, a job, or your creative life, your truth will attract the right people and opportunities. Manifest through words. Your words are like spells this week. Saying your dreams, affirmations, or intentions out loud can dramatically amplify their effect. Even a quiet whisper to yourself in the mirror can set change in motion. Listen closely. Messages aren't just coming from you, they're coming to you. Pay close attention to conversations, sudden insights, song lyrics, or repeated phrases. The universe often sends guidance through everyday channels when you least expect it. How to use this energy? Write it down. Keep a journal. Don't overthink it. Just write what's on your mind each day. You may be surprised by the clarity or ideas that show up. Speak with confidence. This is the time to pitch that project, have that important talk, or share your opinion. People are more likely to hear and respect what you have to say now. Choose your words wisely. Language is powerful. Aim for words that uplift, connect, and reflect your higher self. Avoid gossip, complaining, or negative self-talk. They carry more weight right now than usual. Final thought. Gemini, this message is clear. Your voice isn't just for communication. It's your gateway to transformation. From June 12th to 16th, use it to align with your highest potential. Speak truth. Speak love, speak possibility. The universe is listening and responding. Gemini, you're the sign of the twins, a beautiful symbol of duality. You hold multitude, logic and intuition, curiosity and calm, boldness and retreat. From June 12th to 16th, the cosmos is reminding you that your power lies in your complexity. You're not meant to be just one thing. And this week, the universe wants you to stop trying to choose sides and start honoring all sides. What this message really means, you're not a contradiction, you're a whole. Ever feel torn between two choices or two moods? That's not weakness, that's wisdom. Those in-between moments are actually where your insight lives. Confusion can be clarity in disguise. Feeling uncertain? That's okay. It means your soul is processing. Don't rush a decision just to escape discomfort. Let yourself sit in the duality. Answers will rise naturally. Opposites can work together. When you bring both your light and shadow into the conversation, magic happens. Your full self, the planner and the dreamer, the speaker and the listener, is where your real strength lives. How to embrace this energy? Reflect honestly. Take time this week to explore where you feel divided. Is it a relationship, a career move, or even your personal identity? Instead of forcing clarity, explore both sides without judgment. Write it out. Journaling is a great tool for this kind of inner work. Try a simple exercise. Write down one thought you're having, then write its opposite. What do both have to teach you? Create something that feels like you, whether it's music, art, poetry, or even a well-crafted social post. Let your inner complexity come through. Share the layers of your story. They're what make you real, relatable, and inspiring. Final thought, Gemini, your duality isn't a flaw, it's your signature. From June 12th to 16th, Allow all parts of yourself to be seen and heard. The both and moments are where your genius lives. Don't force yourself into one lane when you were made to explore the whole highway. Gemini, your words have power, but so do your connections. From June 12th to 16th, the universe is nudging you to pay attention to your network. Why? Because hidden within your social web are keys to the next level of your growth, personally, professionally, even spiritually. You're a naturally social sign, thriving on communication and exchange. This week, however, it's not about just being social, it's about being intentional, connecting with purpose, depth, and vision. Key insights for you. This week, the right people will appear. This is a high vibration week for relationships. You may cross paths with someone who becomes a future mentor, collaborator, or even a life-changing friend. Be open. Don't dismiss random encounters. They're anything but. Pay attention to patterns. Who's suddenly reaching out? Who's on your mind out of nowhere? These aren't accidents. They're nudges from the universe. Someone may have a message or opportunity meant just for you. Go deep, not just wide. This is a time for meaningful conversations, not just small talk. Vulnerability and honesty will take your relationships to the next level. When you open up, you invite others to do the same. And that's where magic happens. How to make the most of this energy. Reconnect, think of someone you admire or miss, and send a message. Whether it's an old friend, a past colleague, or someone you follow online, don't hesitate to reach out. Chances are, they're glad you did. Be where your energy belongs. Join events, in person or online, that align with your values, passions, or creative interests. The more aligned the space, the more powerful the connection. Set boundaries too. While connection is key, don't forget to protect your energy. Say no to draining people or empty conversations. This is about quality, not quantity. Final thought, Gemini, you're not meant to do this life alone. And this week, your relationships could be the rocket fuel for your next big step. The universe is placing the right people in your path. Your only job? Show up, speak up, reach out. Your next opportunity may be just one conversation away. Now that you've unlocked the 3 secret messages the universe is sending your way, it's time to get ready. The energy from June 12th to 16th is powerful, but like any gift from the cosmos, it works best when you're prepared to receive it. Here's your step-by-step guide to fully align with this cosmic shift. 1. Clear the mental clutter, Gemini. Your mind is your superpower, but it can also run on overdrive. Give your thoughts space to breathe. A few minutes of daily meditation, breathwork, or even a quiet walk in nature can do wonders. Think of it like clearing out digital tabs in your brain. When your mind is calm, you'll be more in tune with intuitive hits and cosmic nudges. 2. Set powerful intention. This isn't the week to drift. Be intentional. Grab a notebook and write down 3 to 5 goals or desires for this week, especially around communication, creativity, relationships, or personal growth. Be specific. Don't just say, I want clarity. Try, I want to speak honestly in my relationships and feel heard. When you write it, you're anchoring it in reality. 3. Stay open and curious. One of your greatest gifts as a Gemini is your curiosity. Use it. Say yes to new conversations, unexpected invitations, or even a random urge to message someone out of the blue. The universe may deliver opportunity in surprising packaging. Be willing to unwrap it without judgment. 4. Journal daily. Keep a notebook or app handy. Jot down your dreams, signs you notice, like repeated numbers or symbols, or anything unusual that catches your attention. These small clues may seem random now, but when you look back, you'll start to see a pattern, and those patterns could hold life-changing insight. 5. Use your voice with intention. This week, your words hold weight. Speak clearly, kindly, and consciously. Avoid gossip, complaints, or negative self-talk. Those vibes can echo louder than usual. Instead, use your voice to uplift, to ask for what you need, to say the truth with love. Gemini, this cosmic window from June 12th to 16th isn't just about external change. It's a powerful invitation for inner transformation. As the universe opens energetic portals, you're being called to deepen your spiritual connection and tune into your higher self. Your words shape energy. During this time, you'll notice just how deeply your words influence not only your reality, but the energy around you. Whether you're speaking to a friend, writing in your journal, or thinking silently, your vibration is sending ripples out into the world. Use this awareness to speak life, truth, and positivity into existence for yourself and others. Intuitive messages are stronger. Now, don't be surprised if you experience déjà vu, sudden flashes of insight, or dreams that feel more vivid than usual. These are signs that your spiritual antenna is tuned in. Psychic downloads or gut feelings may come faster and clearer. Trust them. The universe is communicating with you in subtle but powerful ways. Balance, mind and heart. Gemini is known for intellect, but this week's energy asks you to go beyond thought. To grow spiritually, you're being guided to align your mind with your heart. This balance allows you to make decisions not just from logic, but from deep inner knowing, your intuition.